Hello, this is the video regarding the Gate Academy Slot 2 delivery. Now we are with the unboxing of this package. Let's start. As you can see that as we are just unboxing this material. With the second slot there is a bag, the bag of Gate Academy. Oh, it's looking cool. I think it should contain some second slot packages also. It will be inside the bag, I think. Oh, it's a cool bag. Now here we go. Here's the package, the second slot package that we all are waiting for. To verify, flip the card. We lot have to cut it. It's little bit annoying. Here is the packages of the rest of the video lectures. It is the menu. It's a package of machine design. I think the packages are in the good condition. Please arrange it in according wise. How many packages are there?
6 packages.
There are 6. The rest 6 packages we have just received it. It will take a time because of lockdown. Just we are facing during this corona period. So it's okay. That's all the unboxing of this slot 2 material of the Gate Academy. Thank you.